in exercise 11.4 for AP board students, please look here. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Right, take the LHS here. What is LHS? 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. Look here, my dear students. 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. See, let us use tan A means sin A by cos A, and cot A means cos A by sin A. Okay, that means instead of this tan, we can write sin A by cos A whole square by, okay, cot A means what? Cos A by sin A, cos A by sin A whole square minus 1. So this is equal to, just look here, splitting this square to sin A cos A, here cos A sin A in numerator and denominator respectively. So that means 1 minus sin square A by cos square A by, here cos square A by sin square A minus 1. So my dear students, here this is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A by, what is here? Cos square A. Cos square A whole by, here also same, cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A by sin square A. Okay. See, there are two fractions here. This is one and this is another one. So this is equal to cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A times the second fraction will be reciprocal, like sin square A by what? Cos square A minus sin square A. So these two are get cancelled. Finally it is equal to sin square A by cos square A. What is sin square A by cos square A? This is equal to tan square A. So it is equal to RHS. So hence it is verified, hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Okay, my dear students, it is very simple. Just I am using tan means sin by cos, cot means cos by sin, and I substitute here and just splitting the square in numerator and denominator. That means 1 minus sin square by cos square A whole by cos square A by sin square A minus 1. And here what I did here, cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A whole by cos square A minus sin square A by sin square A. So here, my dear students, the second fraction will be reciprocal, right? First fraction into the reciprocal of second fraction when the two fractions are like this. So here both get cancelled. That is sin square A by cos square A. That is equal to sin by cos means tan. Here squares are there, so it is tan square A. Fifth question here now. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta times sin theta. Fifth question in exercise 11.4 for AP board students. Right, let us take LHS here. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Right, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Here, let me check this sum is this sum is in CBSE textbook or not? No. Right. Look here, my students. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Right. See here the LCM is cos theta. That means 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. So what is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta by cos theta. Right. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. We have an identity, no, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That means 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. That means instead of this 1 minus cos square theta, just I have substituted sin square theta. So this is equal to, my dear students, sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. That means sin square theta is the product of sin theta into sin theta. Okay, so this is sin theta into, what is sin by cos? Tan, that is tan theta. So this is tan theta into sin theta. It is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved, my dear students, hence it is proved. That means 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. Now coming to the sixth question here in this exercise 11.4 for AP board students. Sixth question, simplify secant A times secant A times 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Right, this is the sixth question here. So what is this question? Secant A times 1 minus sin A, secant A times 1 minus sin A. Yeah, this question is not given in CBSE textbook. Okay, right. Secant A times 1 minus sin A, secant A times 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Right. Look here. Now let us use here this secant A means 1 by cos A. Tan A means sin A by cos A. Let me write here. Secant A means what? 1 by cos A. And this tan A means what? Sin A by cos A. Just I am changing the secant A and tan A in terms of sin and cos. Right. So this is equal to, now let us change. Secant means what? 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A times secant A means 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. Look here. Let us multiply this 1 by cos A with this 1 minus sin A. Okay, got it? That means 1 by cos A minus sin A by cos A into just 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Don't change this one. Now we can change. Look here, 1 by cos A into sin A by cos A into 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. So this is what? A minus B into A plus B. What is A minus B into A plus B, my dear students? It is equal to A square minus B square. That means 1 by cos A into sin A by cos A times 1 by cos A into sin A by cos A means 1 by cos A whole square by sin A by cos A whole square. Right. So look here, my dear students, this is 1 by cos square A minus sin square A by cos square A. Have a look here. Both the denominators are equal. Cos square A, cos square A. That means we can write directly 1 minus sin square A by cos square A. So what is 1 minus sin square A here? From this identity, my dear students, 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A, no? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos. So 1 minus sin square A means cos square A. Let us write here. 1 minus sin square A means cos square A by cos square A. So it is equal, both get cancelled one time. So this result is equal to finally simply 1. Secant A times 1 minus sin A times 1 plus secant A plus tan A. This result is 1. Okay. Coming to the seventh question in exercise 11.4 for AP board students. See my dear students, CBSE students, this sum you have 8th bit in 5th set in exercise 8.4. 8th bit in 5th set in exercise 8.4 for CBSE students, right? This sum is important my dear students. Take what is LHS. What is LHS here? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Right. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Let us take this sin A plus cosecant A whole square. Let us expand using A plus B whole square, where A is sin A and B is cosecant A, right? Like this, sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A into cosecant A. Similarly, this cos A plus secant A also, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. That means cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A into secant A. This is plus here, no? Right. Did you understand, students? What I did here, just I have expanded using A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. So my dear students, this first term and second term, just I have written how? Up and down side, upside and downside, like this. Okay. Now just adding. By adding here, sin square A plus cos square A, the first two terms, the first row and second row. Here cosecant square A plus secant square A plus, look here, we know an identity not reciprocal. Sin A means 1 by cosecant A, and here cos A means it is equal to 1 by secant A. If you write these two identities, my dear students, sin A means 1 by cosecant A, cos A means 1 by secant A, then you can cancel these two. But you must write this, sin A means 1 by cosecant A, cos A means 1 by secant A. Now here plus 2 is plus 4. We are adding no here, right? So now my dear students, sin square A plus cos square A means what? That is 1. Okay, again I am using here this cosecant square A means 1 plus cot square A. It is equal to cosecant square A. Again this secant square A means 1 plus tan square A. Am I right? Right. So this 1 plus tan square A, it is equal to secant square A. So my dear students, here sin square A plus cos square A, instead of this, just I am writing 1, and this cosecant square A means here, look, 1 plus cot square A, 1 plus cot square A, and the secant square A means 1 plus tan square A plus 4 is there. Why? Here sin A, cosecant A, cos A, secant A both get cancelled. Plus 2 means plus 4, right? So it is equal to, my dear students, now have a look here please. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 plus cot square A plus, what is here? Tan square A. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So it is equal to RHS, no my dear students, this is right hand side. That means the sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square, it is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Hence it is proved. Let me explain, my dear students, again. Take LHS here. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Here, my dear student, just I am expanding using a plus b whole square. This is a and this is b. Here also we use the same formula. That means sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a cosecant a. 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here also same. A means cos a, b means secant a. That means cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a secant a. Now, my dear students, here sin a cosecant a, cos a secant a both get cancelled. But don't forget to write the reason here. Sin a means 1 by cosecant a, cos a means 1 by secant a. So, from this reason, we can cancel cos and secant, sin and cosecant, right? Now, here sin square a plus cos square a, just this first terms in the first and second rows. Here, second terms cosecant square a plus secant square a. Plus 2 is plus 4. Okay, my dear students. Now, sin square a plus cos square a means 1. Cosecant square a means 1 plus cot square a. Secant square a means 1 plus tan square a. So that means 1 plus cot square a plus 1 plus tan square a plus 4. What is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. That is equal to RHS. So hence it is proved.